Good evening and welcome to the CDAHK video news channel. The 17th World Federation of Chiropractic Conference was recently held in the Gold Coast, and CDAHK was there to share valuable insights. CDAHK had the honor of conducting a 1.5-hour workshop titled Mastering the Art of Chiropractic Excellence, a journey toward optimal patient care, where they emphasize the importance of leading by example. CDAHK stressed that the world changes based on our actions, not our opinions. The true art of chiropractic excellence involves not only acquiring knowledge and skills but also consistently applying them in practice. Those who walk the talk serve as living testimonials to the power and effectiveness of chiropractic care, and they inspire others to strive for the same level of excellence, said by Dr. Eric Chu, chairman of CDAHK. In today's rapidly evolving healthcare landscape, our commitment to excellence is what will define us as practitioners and shape the future of our profession. CDAHK expressed immense gratitude for the opportunity to discuss these ideas with peers at the conference. The gathering of like-minded professionals, all dedicated to advancing our profession and improving patient care, was truly inspiring. CDAHK looks forward to more opportunities to share, learn, and grow together. That wraps up our main story for today. Stay tuned for more updates on CDAHK.